Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this video will help, then please subscribe my channel. In this video, you will get the setup process of Linksys MX8503, Atlas, Wi-Fi 6E, Home Wi-Fi Mesh Router and its nodes. Let's start. Linksys Atlas MX8503 Wi-Fi 6E system is a tri-band mesh Wi-Fi router with 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz radios. First of all, download the Linksys app from Play Store or App Store. You need this app to set up a Linksys MX8503 whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. So, install the app, open it and follow the instructions. You will need to create a Linksys account, then you can use the app to view or change your system settings from anywhere you have an internet connection. It helps to change your Wi-Fi name and password, set up guest access, connect devices to Wi-Fi with WPS, block internet with parental controls, or helps to test your internet connection speed. To set up your Linksys MX8503 mesh Wi-Fi router, connect the router to the modem using an Ethernet cable. Then turn on your router and modem. Log in to the Linksys app. To log in, enter the email address you used when creating your account. Then enter your account password. Tap Login button. After login, tap Set up a new Wi-Fi network option. Power on all the child nodes, which you want to connect with the Linksys MX8503 router. All the nodes must be flashing the solid purple light. In the app setup process, it will automatically detect the nodes. You just need to connect with the Linksys MX8503 router. For more configuration, you need to click on the Advanced Setup. If you face any kind of trouble or have any question, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.